How to open Citi Bank account online. Hey everybody, if you would also like to create your Citi Bank account online, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, you may just head over and go over to your browser. And once you head over to your browser, you can just go ahead and type in Citi Bank and tap on it. And when you do, this opens up on your screen the link. You may go ahead and look out for the online option here within, which is Citibank Online. Tap on it and you will be taken to citi.com. So wait for that page to load up, and here you may head over and tap on about open an account section here. Wait for here. Or you can directly tap on sign on option at the top of your screen. Tap on it, and once you do, you should be taken to the login page. Wait for that page to load up first on your screen. Now, once it loads up here in this login page, you can easily log into Citibank by using your user ID and password for your bank account. Since we are looking in order to open our account online, we have this section right here in the very last option, which is register for online access. You may look at that option up on your screen and tap on it. And once you tap on it, your process for opening up a bank account online for Citi starts here. So first of all, you need to provide up this information that Citibank will be asking if you would like to open up your account online. So you may scroll down, and the first option is you can view and manage your account by entering the account or the card number that you will be mailed and that was provided when your account was open. So here in this section, you can just go and provide up your credit card or debit card number, or you can even provide your bank account number. After that, paycheck protection program loan account number, or brokerage account number, or personal loan account number. After that is entered, you can just go ahead and look out for this continue option on your screen. Complete it, and you just need to complete these 4 steps available on your screen. Once you have uploaded all the copies of required documents such as government issued ID and proof of address, and your verification process completes, your online access will be completed for Citibank. And again, just go ahead and access for your Citibank account after the approval is done. So that is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to open up your Citibank account online as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.